Okay, so here we also want to hide the logo block. Okay, so here for the form companies, if I come here to our events and then on load. Okay, so what I'll do then here is I'll come down here to our insert code examples that we have here and use the show and hide a block. Okay, and that will then hide the logo block that we have. Okay, so let's also come here quickly to layout and blocks and save along the way and make sure we have the name here for our logo block, which is block 0. So we can copy that and then come here to onload. And then what I'll do is I will add that here as a comment, block 0, and that is then our block equals logo block. Okay, so that we don't forget it later, and we can then identify that straight away within our values here. So we want to then say if a field is empty. So we have here our company name. So let's add our company name in here, company underscore name. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add another bracket around here and then another one at the beginning and type in there empty. So if empty, company name, then we will hide the blocks. And the block is block 0. So we need to adjust these ones here to be block 0, and then it's on or off. And I think it's actually the reverse way around that we want. So if it's empty, it's off, and if it's full, it's on. So let's just test that anyway. Let's go ahead and run. And then we can see we have our application. So it's not empty right now. We are displaying the logo. And if I go add new, we now no longer have the logo block there. Okay, so that application is then already much nicer. And of course, a little easier for our end users to use. They don't get overwhelmed with more information or anything there.